So hi everyone, this video is about a review of the Neewer SL90 LED Video Light. So just arrived in the post today. I bought this off Amazon. It cost me, it was $140. So pretty expensive for a light, but it looks like it's a pretty fancy one. So let's open it up and have a look. So here you have it, guys. It's the box. So I did open it up, so I pulled it out. In the box, this is the light. Now the light, you'll see it comes with this metal thing that goes around it. I mean, you could unscrew and take it off if you wanted to, and just to use it as like a bit of a block, but I suppose it looks pretty handy. The benefit of having this is you can screw this into your tripod mount. This is actually far better than I expected it to be. I thought this would be a bit stupid, but it actually looks pretty good. So as you can see, you can twist it around there, but also you can twist it around that way. So you could twist it around both ways. So that is actually a lot better than I was expecting. I wasn't too sure what this was going to be like. I wasn't too sure what it was going to be like, but it's far better than I expected. Okay, so it's got the little, I did turn it on, so as you can see, it's got the, on the top, as you can see, it's got microphone, and it's got the power on mode. And there you can see the LED screen, the little LED screen at the back. Looks like it's got a few functions on here to show what they are, but hey, we'll find out. And on the side, you can see there's a light. Now that is, it is probably pretty hard for you to appreciate how bright this is, but if I put this, I am not looking towards this light. If I look towards this light, this hurts my eyes incredibly. So it's really bright. So you can turn that. That's the switch to make it super bright. Turn it off. It's pretty good. It says here BT-2AG. I'm not sure what that's doing. That's guessing that's for some of the functions in there. And then it has this one here, this one here. What's it doing? Looks like it's changing the colour of the warmth of the light. That's a really white light, as opposed to a warm light, so you can change that. Now this is full RGB. There is a charging port there. Okay, so here, let's just turn it off for a second. Turn it off, put it there. That comes in the box. Okay, so there's your USB charging cable, handy. Little bag for it. Let's give it a try. Yeah, that's right. It's very nice. Not too bad. And what's this? Oh, there we go. That's a... There goes. That's like a little adapter for if you're wanting to screw that on there. So if you want to screw that on, and then that has another control thing which you tighten up. So that is a handy mounting thing for if you're wanting to, when you put that on your tripod. And then I guess you'll be screwing it into the bottom, or if you're fixing that on somehow. Yeah, that's pretty good. Pretty happy with that. And there are all the instructions. Does it come with anything else? No, this is, what is that? That's some kind of declaration of conformity. All right, kind of declaration. There's the instruction booklet. And there's the operation prompt card with all the stuff. So looks like there's an app on this which will allow you to control the lights. So it's giving you the code there in order to go online and download the app. All right, so that's Neewer SL90 Light. So let's check how bright it is now. So I'm going to turn the light off. You can see I've just dimmed the light down. So there's not a lot of light in here, and let's turn it back, turn this light on. It does give out a very, very good light. Very, very good light. So it is probably a little bit hard for you to see online. It's hard for you to see on this video how good this is, but there it is. See if it does go different colours apparently. So what more can I say? Okay, so everyone, so there we have it. That is the light. I will just turn it off for a second. It's going to shine right in my eyes. So it is a lot better than I expected. It was expensive, as I say, just under, I think it was $140, $150, which is expensive for what it is, definitely expensive, but it is far, far better than I expected. So I am very, very happy with this purchase. I would definitely recommend it. From what I've seen so far, I would definitely recommend it. As with anything, I'm guessing if you threw it around, would it be really, really durable? It feels pretty solid. As with anything, you've got to look after it. Certainly you don't want to throw it around, but would it take a little bit of a bashing if it got bashed a little bit around? I think it'd probably be all right. Yeah, and I'm definitely happy with that this piece of metal on it, which allows you to adjust and rotate it everywhere. That is a lot better than I was expecting. I thought that was going to be pretty trash, and I was thinking as soon as I get it, the first thing I'm going to do is take this off. But having now got it, I will definitely use it, and I'm very, very glad it came with us. So I would say far, far better than I expected. Definitely recommend it. It's pretty good. Very, very good. Hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.